Hello viewers, today I want to share with you about the concepts of government. To begin with the definition, government is a group of people with the powers and authority to rule and enforce laws in the countries. Authorities of the government. There are two main authorities of the government, such as state authority and local government authorities. In case of state authorities, there are three authorities. Number one, executive. Number two, legislature. Number three, judicial. And the authority number two is local government authorities. In case of local government authorities, there are about two authorities. That means two sub-authorities. Number one, urban authorities. Number two, rural authorities.